Hey guys, so we're gonna do a 30-minute bicep tricep workout. We're gonna start with tricep, we're gonna end it up with bicep, and yeah, this is how we're gonna roll today.
Let's get it, let's go.
When you take a cable, you take one like this. What I don't like about this is there's no range of motion. You see the cable is really stuck into me. So I like to use two, make them longer. Then I'm gonna grab it. And you see now, I can go full squeeze, full range of motion, and I have space for my body to go in between. It's a lot easier, and you can go full range of motion. Cool guys, so for the second exercise of the tricep, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit the 3 head of tricep. So the variation is gonna be one arm at a time. I take further step, like very in the back. I'm gonna do 10, I'm gonna squeeze 1 second. When I did my 10, I'm gonna move 1 feet. I'm gonna do 10 again, squeezing. When I'm done with the 10, I'm gonna move, so I'm right underneath doing a 90 degree with the cable, and I finish my last 10. Here is where you're the strongest. That's where we finish with it. And you're the weakest, further. So that's why we start with that one. So here we go. Let's go. Well, that bomb, guys, I mean, fuck. Good?
Maybe. Alright guys, so we're going to do the overhead tricep extension. I like to turn my wrist. When you turn your wrist, you get a little more of that pop right here. So instead of just going out like this, you're going to turn your wrist. So it's going to be like this. You get that extra tricep. So you want to lock your elbows. Turn it over. And if you let it pull back a little bit, you'll get that extension underneath as well. Control it. A little pull back. Just turn over. A little pull back.
Okay guys, we're gonna do an eye pulley. Your elbow need to be in line with the pulley at all times. So maintaining it eye. And then when he's gonna curl, I want it to be a little bit slightly behind his head, elbow high, and you squeeze behind your head for 1 second.
Come on. All right, so we're gonna do the bicep curls. We're gonna hold while we do 2 reps with one arm, and then we're gonna switch arms and do the same with the other arm. So we're gonna bring it up, hold, hit 2 reps. 1, 2. Switch sides. 1, 2. Up when you curl. 1, 2.
That's it, pump it. Cool guys, so I like to have my ass against something, a wall, a bench, anything. Then I'm gonna bring my elbow forward and I wanna keep it there. I know it's gonna be hard, that's why you take lighter weight and you just curl it. This is gonna make it a lot easier here. So basically guys, you have seen probably it in video, people have the thing in front and they just put their arms on it. I'm technically doing the same movement. It's really good for the peak of your bicep. But without it, you can always do it supported, but I like it with 2 dumbbells at a time, and I just curl it. Let's go. That's it.
Finish with that one. We're going to superset now with the reverse grip. Arms are facing down. Same movement, bend forward. Get more of that forearm and the brachialis in there as well. guys, we just finished that bicep workout, bicep and tricep workout. We got a good pump going on. We got some good workouts
Pump,
in.
baby, yeah.
It was a good time. Hope you guys got some value out of this. Follow along. Let us know how you liked it.
Try it and comment below, guys.